Hello, my dear class 5 students. Today I will discuss the question answer of the second chapter, The Little Boy Who Cried. Let us begin with the matching first. The first question is the boy. What the boy did? The boy tripped over something. So, question number A, the boy matches with E. Here you can see the boy matches with E. Okay. Second question is parcel. What does happen to the parcel? What happens to the parcel? The parcel burst. Here, 2 matches with A. The parcel burst. Now question number 3. The boy's hand. What does happen to boy's hand? What's happened to the boy's hand? The boy's hand tripped over something. The boy's hand. Sorry. The boy's hand were grazed. This. The boy's hand was grazed. Look at, I have given number in the right side also. The boy's money, what happened to boy's money? The boy's money rolled away. Harry, what happened to Harry? Harry bathed the boy's hand. Harry bathed boy's hand. Okay. Now, are these sentences true or false? Write T for true and F for false. Doreen and Harry had saved £3 for the paint box. No, this is wrong. Doreen and Harry saved £2 for the paint box. That's why this is false. Question number 2. They saw a boy trip and fall flat on the ground. Yes, this is true. Doreen and Harry decided to ignore the boy. No, they decided to help the boy. That's why it is false. Question number 3 is false. Question number 4. They bought the boy some food. Yes, this is true. They bought the boy food. Question number 5. The little boy told his mother where Doreen and Harry lived. The little boy told his mother where Doreen and Harry lived. The little boy told his mother no, the little boy did not tell where the Doreen and Harry lived because her mother came to know from the parcel paper. That's why it is false. Question number 5 is false. Question number 6. Doreen and Harry got reward for being kind to the boy. Yes, at last the mother gave a paint box and painting book. So this is true. Now come to the question answer. Question number C, answer these questions. What were Harry and Doreen going to buy? Why did they decide to buy it? Let us see the answer. Here. What were Harry and Doreen going to buy? Why did they decide to buy it? They were going to buy a new paint box because they loved painting, but their painting box was very old and are not very good. To the next question. Okay, to the next question. What is the next question? What did they see just as they passed the gates of the park on their way? When they passed the gates on their way, what did they see? What did they see as they passed the gates on the park their way? They saw the small boy tripped over something, fell flat on his face. The parcel carried burst open, sandwiches, orange, sticky piece of chocolate fell out. So this is the answer. Next question. Question number 3. What did the parcel that the boy carried contain? The parcel contained sandwiches, orange, and sticky piece of chocolate cake. Now question number 4. Let us see. Why did Harry and Doreen buy paint box? Why did Harry and Doreen buy paint box? Because they spent out most of the money. Why didn't Harry and Doreen buy paint box? Because they spent out most of the money for the dinner and bus fare of the little boy. Now they didn't have enough money to buy the paint box. That's why. Question number 5. Why did they buy paper mints for their mother? Because their mother was fond of it. That is the answer. Now, next question. How did the little boy's mother know where Harry and Doreen lived? How did the little boy's mother came to know? Yo, they wrapped up his lunch in the nice piece of brown paper on which their mother's name and address was written. That was the reason her mother came to know. Now, question number 7. What present did boy's mother give Harry and Doreen for their kindness? What was the present? This. The little boy's mother gave them beautiful paint boxes and a fine painting books, one for each of them. So that is the end of the comprehension number 1 question answers. Now come to comprehension number 2. Yeah. How were Harry and Doreen helpful to the little boy? This question. Harry and Doreen were very kind and helpful to the child. When the boy fell down, they lifted him up and cleaned his shoes and injuries with water. They bought him dinner with money they had for buying the paint box. They gave him the money for his bus fare and also so that they could go home. Now question number 2. So, do you think Harry and Doreen made a good choice by helping the little boy? Give reasons why or why not. Yes, definitely it is good. Yes, this question. You should always be helpful to others who are in trouble. No, it's necessary for us. That's why Harry and Doreen made good choice by helping the little boy. Now to the last question. Yeah. Do you think Harry and Doreen deserve the present with the little boy's mother gave? Why? Here also you have to give the answer. Reason. Yes, they deserved it because they have been very kind and helpful to the little boy. They didn't buy their own paint box, but with that money, they bought him food and gave him some money for the bus fare. So that was the question answer explanation. Now move up to this page. Word puzzle. Complete the crossword with verbs from the story. We have to choose verbs for the same meaning. Now in this is horizontal puzzles are called across and down puzzles are called down. In this way that will come is called down puzzles. So the first question is this: split open. Question number 1. Split open means across. Question number 1. Where is across? Split open means burst. Split opens. Open means burst. That is this. B-U-R-S-T, burst. B-U R S T, burst. So split open suddenly means burst. Now come to 4. Question number 4. To make a long and loud sound like a dog. Where is across? Question number 4. Here, howl. Question number 6. How to learn to earn or have a right to something. 6 is deserve. Now 8. To shout loudly because you are angry or in pain. 8. Yell. Now come to downside questions. Now down, question number 1, wash. Here, birth. Question number 2, no longer have something because you cannot find it. Question number 2, where is question number 2 down? Here, lost. To injure. Question number 3, here, hurt. This. To cry. Question number 5, where is 5? To cry, here, weep. To damage something so that you cannot use it. Question number 7, where is 7? This is spoil. So this was the word crossword puzzles. Now synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms are the similar meaning, antonyms are the opposite meanings. Here, for example, happy synonyms is cheerful, little synonyms small, good, noble. So these are called similar meanings, are pair of similar meaning words are called synonyms. So we will solve some synonym problems. Here, match these words with the synonyms. Number 1 is new. So new will match with fresh because new synonym is fresh. Pretty will match with beautiful. I have given numbers also. Kind will match with sympathetic. Cheerful will match with careful will match with alert, and reward which will match with award. So this. Now read this word: happy, sad, little, big, careful, careless. So these are called opposite words of each other. That's why they are called antonyms. Here a picture is given and different sense has been given. You have to write what this picture means and match them with their antonym words. For example, this: the boy is crying, he is ill, the car is old, this is helpful, no, this is expensive because 4,000 rupees of shoes, and the elephant is big. So their respective opposite words are this. This small will definitely match with a big. This small will match with big. Cheap will match with expensive. This well will match with ill. New will match with old. Love will match with cry, and unhelpful will match with helpful. So that's it for today. In the tomorrow class, I will finish the other sections of the problem questions. Here, yesterday we will teach. Tomorrow we will teach grammar portion. So and other problems of your book, grammatical problems. Till then, goodbye. Thank you. Take care.